Let's make some hummus. So a few weeks ago in my flaxseed video, I kind of hinted towards making a hummus. Well, think about what a hummus is. Well, it's chickpeas or garbanzo beans with a tahini. And tahini is ground sesame paste. Why can't we make the tahini with flax seeds? And that's what we're going to do today. So first things first, we need to toast off these flax seeds. Got half a cup. So since we're toasting off the flax seeds, we might as well toast off the spices we're going to put into the hummus. I got a teaspoon of cumin, teaspoon of coriander. Give them a mix, and these are going to go in my air fryer. I'm going to set it at about 300 degrees and probably go about 5 minutes. What I'm going to do is I'm looking for them to start popping. Once they start popping, I'm pulling them out. The next step, the garbanzo beans, or the chickpeas. I got canned, I'm sorry. You can cook these off if you want. So I'm gonna open this up and get these draining. Okay, they're draining over there in the sink. Little safety tip, see these cans? This thing, one of the worst cuts I've ever seen in a kitchen came from one of these lids. So, how do you get around that? Put the lid in the can, crush the top. It's going nowhere. Okay, we're going to use a couple pieces of equipment today. First is my blender. Blenders are good. More than just making margaritas, which I don't really care for. So we're going to put these in the carafe. Throw the lid on it, and we're just going to pulse them a few times to get them started. Okay, we're going to take this little center tube out, and we've got olive oil. We're going to add the olive oil until it forms a nice little paste. There we go. It's exactly what we're looking for here. Nice, smooth paste. Now we got to get out another piece of equipment. Okay, we got out a food processor. You could do it in the blender, but trust me, it's going to take a little bit longer. It's really not the tool to do what we want it to do. I'm going to go get my garbanzo beans. Okay, garbanzo beans in the bowl of the food processor. The garlic. I've got 3 cloves here. You don't want to put garlic in there whole because sometimes they don't chop up the way you want them to. So I'm just going to give them a rough chop. Garlic goes in. A little flavor. I like my Ancho powder. I put roughly about a teaspoon in. You can do more if you want, or less if you want. Oh, if you don't have Ancho powder, use paprika. Smoked paprika is really good in this. Next, juice of 1 lemon. And in goes our Flax Seed Tahini. Have your olive oil ready. I'm gonna pulse it until it starts to chop up the beans, and then I'll start adding the olive oil. Yeah, let's give this a taste. Well, it's definitely going to need some salt and pepper since I didn't put any in there yet. I'm going to go 2 tablespoons or 2 teaspoons of salt and a few good grinds of pepper. Here we go. Nice, relatively smooth paste. I could have added a little bit more olive oil to this, but I think this is good the way I like it. I like it a little tighter. So I like to just put it in a nice bowl, smooth it out. I like to put make sure there's like little divots in there. Now we can garnish this. Drizzle of olive oil is always traditional. I'm going to sprinkle a little more of my ancho powder on. And last, let's throw a few more flax seeds on top. There we have it. To serve, a little crudité is nice. Some pita chips, yeah, they're store-bought. Sue me. What I like also, I got these sweet peppers. Watch what I can do with those. Take a little bit of your hummus. There you go. So, if you like this video, check out the other videos that are around here somewhere else. I'll see you next time.